Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Glad to have you here again. You watching this right now. Take a second and stay with me because this is something worth understanding properly. Pause for a moment. You right there. How many different tools do you open before making just one trading decision? One for charts, one for news, one for execution, one for strategy, and even then something still feels incomplete. Viewers, now imagine if all of that was not scattered but connected in one unified system, built not just for trading but for thinking clearly, testing ideas, and acting with structure. Today we are going to explore a system called 1024X. This is not just a platform overview, this is a complete AI native trading ecosystem designed for a new way of working with markets, data, and decision making. Viewers, 1024X is a next-generation perpetual DEX, a decentralized exchange built fully on-chain. Every trade, every order, every execution happens directly on the blockchain. No hidden rules, no middlemen, no bias, complete transparency. For years, only big institutions had access to professional trading tools, fast execution, smart algorithms, advanced analytics. Regular traders were always left out. 1024X breaks it. And now every trader gets the same powerful tools, the same execution speed, and the same quality with no expensive requirements and no exclusive gateways. The platform runs on 4 core ideas: decentralized, fairness, native AI intelligence, equal access for all, and a simple, smooth experience that hides the complex blockchain layers underneath. Now let me walk you through how it actually works step by step. First, the platform continuously pulls in live market data and on-chain metrics from across the crypto market. Price movements, trading volumes, real-time signals all coming in constantly. Second, the AI takes the data and immediately starts analyzing it. Looks as order book depth, volatility levels, and funding rate changes, then suggests the best possible trading move based on all of that. Third one, and this is most important, you are always in control. You can review the AI suggestion, adjust it, or completely override it. The AI advises, you decide. And the fourth, once you approve, the strategy executes directly on-chain. Every step is recorded, transparent, and verifiable by anyone. So this is how it works. So viewers, the future of trading belongs to everyone. That is the full cycle: smart data, AI analysis, human control, on-chain execution. Viewers, wait list link is in the description. Community is live on X, Discord, Telegram, and GitHub. So let's start, but first of all you will have to connect your wallet. As you can see that I have connected my wallet, and you can see that MetaMask and Phantom also support it. So you can connect anywhere according to your choice. Viewers, I have been testing AI trading assistant called AgentX on 1024X, and I want to show you exactly what using it actually feels like. No fluff, just the real experience. So when you open 1024X, AgentX is right there waiting for you. It's not some separate tool you have to find. It's built directly into the platform. First thing that I did was ask it how everything works. So I put my first question, how 1024 works, and it provided me a detailed answer about it. Here you can check out the core philosophy, everything explained about 1024X. So you can check out 3 core products, and it provided me a detailed answer. It walked me through the platform step by step. Then I asked about risk management. They gave me a clear, simple breakdown. You can ask it anything: how to deposit, how to build a strategy, where to start. Honestly, this alone saved me a lot of time and don't have to read thoroughly any documentation section. Just put your question in this section. Then here you will have to just click on it and it will provide you a detailed answers. So now this is the part I found most interesting, and that is the build section. So viewers, I started working on my own draft session here. The workspace shows you everything at once: your performance data, your strategy logic, your live orders, and even the code running underneath it. Nothing is hidden. You can see exactly what AgentX is doing and why. Every order it places, you can track it back. Here you can also check out the markets, and here you can also check out the usage of AgentX in the crypto trading. So it looks very amazing, and that level of transparency is something I did not expect, and it genuinely changed how comfortable I felt letting the AI handle execution. Most automated tools feel like a black box, but this is not that type of. This is AgentX 1024X, and this is amazing. Let me be honest about what stood out me to personally when I described what I wanted in plain language. AgentX turned it into an actual working strategy. Here you can check out that you will click on create strategy. So let's explain. I just explain my idea and it build the logic. Then a backtest can show me the results. Then after every trade, it produces a full review. What worked, what didn't, and why the decision was made. The post-trade feedback is something I actually read because it is written in a way that makes sense. The more I used it, the more it felt like having second opinion on every move. Not something making blind decision for you, but something working with you. Here you can also check out some strategies. Agent store strategies are available. If you want to check out these different strategies are available, you can view them and you can also check out them. And here you can also check out their return rates and their win ratios, their trades, and other details have been provided here. So viewers, I'll be saturated. This is not an ordinary platform. It's something special. And the more I use it, the more it felt like having a second opinion on everyone. My actual time using AgentX. It's one of the most powerfully built trading tools I have come across, transparent, guided, and genuinely useful for both beginners and experienced traders. Waitlist links in the description. Check it out yourself. So now let's move into something interesting called Predict. Here you are not only looking at charts, you are actually trading on real world outcomes inside Predict. You can trade based on future events. Use simple yes or no concepts, track live market volume, probability changes. These cover different areas such as financial events, technology developments, global and macro level institutions and situations. Now think about this carefully. What if your opinion about a real world event was not just a thought, but an actual trading position? That is exactly what this section enables. It turns ideas into structured, measurable market exposure. So here we will check out of one example. What Iranian demands will Trump Eddie in April? So oil sanctions relief. Yes, 7 cents and no 95 cents. And the enrichment of uranium. Yes, 7 cents and no is 95 cents. So this is the prediction pool. You can select according to your choice. If you select yes or if you can select no. This is your own decision. And here you can also check out other like politics, like crypto, and other predictions are available. So viewers, know less hard about execution. Then you decide to take action in markets. Clarity becomes very important. The trade terminal is designed for structured execution. So it improves the time charts with detailed indicators, deep liquidity for some other underflow, whole order management system, BTC, USDC, perpetual trading markets. This environment is built for one thing, precision execution. So here is a simple question for you. When you enter a trade, are you fully clear or are you just watching in that moment? Because this system is designed to support structured decisions, not emotional guesses. So here you can check out BTC USDC trading pair, and you can also check out their chart. Here you can check out their different features. You can also check out one 5-year chart. You can also check out 1-day chart. So here you can see 5-year chart. So the price of BTC going up and then dropping and then rising. So 5-year, 1 year, and 6 month, 3 month, 1 month, 5-day and 1-day charts are available. You can also check out the market share. You can also check out their price, 24-hour change, their 24-hour volume. And here you can also check out other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, Solana, and Gold, Silver are available. So if you want to trade BTC or any other cryptocurrency according to your choice, you can select from the market sections. Think about your last trading data. Maybe you had it clearly in your mind, but you did not structure it properly, you did not test it, you did not execute it with confidence. This is exactly where AgentX changes their experience. With AgentX, the workflow becomes simple. You start with an idea in natural language. The system analyzes and understands it. It convert it into a structured strategy. It runs testing and backtesting. It improves and refines the model, and finally, it executes after your approval. So it's not a black box system. It works like as a 24/7 AI trading assistant that stays with you through the entire process. You can also use pre-built strategy models like dynamic DCA system, breakout trading strategies, and automated rebalancing structures. Once activated, it operates within your defined limits, monitors conditions continuously. Sport long-running strategies, you remain in control, but you are no longer alone in the execution. You can also create your first strategy. Here you can check out the agent store. Different strategies are available. Quant strategy here, different strategies, their returns and their figures are available. If you want to view them, the link has been given here. Here you can check out. You will click here to view it. So I have click one strategy. So here you can break down the strategy. How are the details and what are the details, how it works, how 1204 works and how it builds and deploy the winning strategy, how it manage the risk, how it deposit and start trading. So each and every detail have been provided here. So you can find a detailed answer. So AgentX is working here. You can check out the screen. AgentX the strategy a pricing special, so you can check out that you can build a trading strategy. It works in a very fast way. You can design a trading strategy tailored to your goals, backtest it, historical BTC PDMs learner data, and prepare it for that live development. So how this is how it works. Now let's start about the next amazing feature, that is referral. You are not just a user inside the system. You can also generate your own referral code, invite other users into the alpha phase, track activity through your dashboard, and based on the participation level, reward mechanism may be connected to user's activity, so your role can grow from user to participant to network contributor. So here we will click on create passcode. Here you can see that we can create our code. We will click on it, and within few seconds our code will be created. So here you can see that our referral code has been created. We will copy it and share it with our friends and social media followers. Now everything comes back to you. Do you keep observing system like this from outside, or do you step inside while access is still limited? Because right now entry is restricted, access is invite based, experience is still in early phase. If you want to explore it, get a referral code. I have put the link in the description of my video. You can obtain the referral code from the description. Join the wait list. Enter early access before it becomes fully open. Next time we will go deeper into real user behavior, how this system is actually being used in live generic environment. Take care, bye.